this is Keisha, the instructor, and today I want to discuss templates. And a template, for those that don't know, is a predefined worksheet or workbook that has formulas have been created, functions have been created, and there's formatting, possibly a chart or graphs or table, etc. So from what I've already discussed or defined for you, you can see that Excel template saves you some time. And so you don't have to be an expert in Excel. You don't even have to know how to make a formula or do math. All you have to do is know how to type in some data within a worksheet. So, how do we find a template? Well, what you do, we're going to just go back for a moment. So, this is the main screen within Excel, our ribbon. And you would do the File tab, which is our backstage view. And then from there, you would go to New. And then New, you notice you have the option of searching for online templates, but we don't want that for today. We're just going to go with some suggested searches within Excel. So let's click the Budgets tab. And when you click the Budgets tab, you have all types of templates. I mean, there's lots to choose from. We're going to choose a family budget. This one right here. And once you double click and click create, then the template appears. And it gives you some information. Here it says enter your family name in cell B3. Enter the month and year in cell B5. So let's enter a name in B3. So family name, we'll just put teacher's family or the teacher. Then for the month of July, we're going to just leave that like that because this is July 2022. Then you have your cash flow, the projected, and this is nothing but a nice bar chart that's already created for us. So we're going to scroll down some more here. And you notice this is the cash flow. It shows the monthly income, monthly expenses, and the cash flow. So then here is where we can enter in our data. You have the total income. I'm just going to take that 5,700 and we're going to put 3,700. Then I'm going to press tab. And then we're going to put the actual amount. We're going to say 3,300. And then you know the difference there, because this is all a formula that's been created for us, is $300. And we could do the simple math by subtracting those two. Then we have the total expenses. How much are our bills? This is the projected, and then this is the actual amount. And I'm going to leave that like it is. And I'm going to scroll down some more. And you notice there's nothing more to this particular worksheet. But like we learned in the earlier YouTube video, and if you need to learn or haven't watched that yet, then go back on my channel and find that one and watch that one. So to learn more about the sheet tabs. So let's go to the monthly income tab. And on this monthly income tab, same thing, it gives you some information. Enter monthly income details in the table below, starting in cell B6. So we click off of there, and remember you have the cell box if you don't remember where that's at. But we're going to go down to, and this is the cell box range. we're going to go down to B6, and this is income 1. So if you say this is your spouse, and then income 2 is you, and then there's any other income. So you can put your projected income. I'm going to change the projected 2 to just 1,000. And the actual is going to be 900. And you notice we get a difference of $100. And then it shows what the actual income is and the actual difference. So if we go back to this cash flow worksheet, you notice the bar chart has changed some. The cash flow, the monthly expense, and the monthly income. So as you make changes to your worksheet, the changes will take a place within the chart. So next and lastly is the monthly expenses. Here you notice that it says enter monthly expenses details in the table below, starting in cell B6. So there's B6. This is the monthly expenses, and we know this is July. So you could again edit any information you want to fit your household, and you can change different. Like if you don't have anyone in college, you could put I don't know, car wash. So you can easily just change what's been placed in there. Just be careful not to delete out any formulas, because then of course your worksheet won't work. And that's basically all I wanted to share with you today, dealing with templates. I hope you enjoyed and you learned something about templates today. Please subscribe to my channel if you like what you saw and learned on today. Thank you.